How to fix Roblox low memory. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, the first fix is force quit Roblox. So swipe up on your home screen and swipe up again on Roblox and all the apps running in the background, as too many open apps can eat up memory, that is your RAM. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to Roblox and tap on it, and further go ahead and offload the app, as corrupted or bloated cache can cause memory problems, so this process will clear the cache in the application. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go ahead and restart your device, as a quick memory refresh by restarting can resolve temporary memory leaks. Also, go ahead and check the device specifications, as Roblox recommends at least 4 GB of RAM for smooth play. And if you are using a low-end phone under 3 GB RAM, then consider upgrading or playing on a PC. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go ahead and completely delete the Roblox app from your device and then wait for a while and then go ahead and download the latest version again. And also make sure that you are using the latest version of whichever system you are using. And these are a few fixes on how you can fix Roblox low memory. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.